Hey guys, I'm Sherry Criswell, independent designer for Chalk Couture. And today I'm going to work with reverse canvas and I'm using the transfer Faith. This is a beautiful transfer. I love it. And it's a very good one for an outline type of transfer. So I'm going to do a watercolor technique with it. And I'm going to use paste, non-ink paste, because I don't have to worry about heat setting it. And I just thought I'd try paste. And actually, I liked it a lot. Now, I did the outline and the words in Storm. Then, after I got all that done, I decided to paint. This is the frame that's hidden underneath your canvas. So first I painted it white and then I changed my mind and decided to do it gray. So here I'm just placing it and I'm going to take the pencil and make the line where I need to cut off the excess. It was stapled onto the frame and I just used a craft knife to loosen that up and take it off. Now I'm just cutting off the ends that I don't need. When I'm done, I will staple it to the back of the frame. All right. Now I'm going to use, I have 3 colors out, but I really only use 2. And the green for the leaves, and I think that's raspberry something. I don't know, I'll have to look that up. And I just added water to it to thin it out. And I have a paper towel there. So with a paintbrush, you just dip it into the watered down paste. And if you get it too thin, you might want to wipe a little bit off on the paper towel. That's why I have it there, because it can get kind of runny sometimes. So I take the darker color and I took it towards the top of it, being careful not to go over the storm outline. And then I just kind of pulled it down a little bit, sometimes adding a little more water to the brush, and just pulled the color down so it's darker towards the outside and gets lighter as you pull it down. That's how I started out doing it. After a while, I just kind of played with it here and there. It was really fun. It's relaxing. I didn't actually use pink that much, because when you take that, the darker, I think it's raspberry, watered down, it gets lighter. And then I went with the green. I think it's meadow. I'm pretty sure that's meadow. And the same thing with the leaves. You just take it darker around the edges and pull it down. Sometimes you add a little water to your brush to lighten it up. You can always make it darker. It's a little bit harder to make it lighter. So I just took my time and just painted until I was happy with it. And then I turned it around, stapled it to the back, pulled it tight, and stapled it with my staple gun. And there it is, all done. I love it. It was fun.